Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code is P0102, which means your mass airflow MAF sensor is reading low voltage. This can cause a number of problems, including rough idling, decreased performance, and increased fuel consumption. But before you panic and head to the mechanic, there are a few things you can try yourself to fix the P0102 code. What is the MAF sensor? The MAF sensor is a vital part of your engine's intake system. It measures the amount of air entering the engine, which helps the computer determine the correct air-fuel mixture. A dirty or faulty MAF sensor can mess up these readings, leading to the P0102 code. Possible causes of P0102. Dirty MAF sensor. This is the most common culprit. Dust and debris can build up on the sensor over time, throwing off its readings. Air leak. If there's a leak in the intake system, unmeasured air is getting into the engine. This can also cause a lean air-fuel mixture and trigger the P0102 code. Faulty MAF sensor. Sometimes the sensor itself can fail. This is less common than a dirty sensor, but it's a possibility. Tools you'll need: OBD-II scanner to check and clear the code, MAF sensor cleaner available at auto parts stores, rags, screwdriver depending on your car's MAF sensor location. Now let's fixing the P0102 code DIY. Step 1. Check the air filter. A clogged air filter can restrict airflow and contribute to a dirty MAF sensor. Replace your air filter if it's dirty. Step 2. Locate the MAF sensor. The MAF sensor is usually located in the intake tube between the air filter box and the throttle body. Consult your car's manual for the exact location. Step 3. Remove the MAF sensor. There will typically be a few screws holding the sensor in place. Carefully remove them and unplug the electrical connector. Step 4. Clean the MAF sensor. Important! Never touch the sensor wire itself with your fingers. Use MAF sensor cleaner according to the instructions on the can. Spray the cleaner at the sensor element, not directly on the wire. Let the sensor dry completely before reinstalling. Put everything back together in the reverse order you took it apart. Reconnect the electrical connector and tighten the screws snugly. Reconnect the battery if you disconnected it. Start your car and let it idle for a few minutes. Then use your OBD-II scanner to clear the P0102 code. Take your car for a test drive and see if the problem is fixed. If cleaning the MAF sensor doesn't fix the problem, you might have an air leak or a faulty sensor itself. In that case, it's best to consult a mechanic for further diagnosis and repair. Remember, this is just a basic guide. Always refer to your car's manual for specific instructions. And if you're not comfortable working on your car, don't hesitate to take it to a professional. Thanks for joining me. Hopefully, this video helped you diagnose and fix the P0102 code. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips.